Okay, in order to demonstrate the connection between Genchi and Jira, log in first of all, then go to the admin, then integration screen, and select the Jira option. So if you click on connect, you'll be able to select your Jira workspace, accept, and then you'll be prompted with the opportunity to import some projects or users as you see fit. To show this, I will import the My Scrum project, close. And I didn't expect this to include the Slack connection, but just for completeness, I will show that. I'm already connected to my Slack workplace. You've got to make sure the user's Slack IDs are synced with their Genchi IDs. Otherwise, the automated check-in can't go out. So I have done that. Just click that button. You can also do it through the admin on the user screen as well, and you'll see whether the users are linked or not. Going back to the initiative screen, I can find my Scrum project. By design, it's paused, so the user has to take a deliberate action to determine how often they want to check in, whether that's daily or weekly, and what channels they want to use, whether it's the app, by default, email or Slack. And I have these paused. So once they've taken that deliberate action, they can save changes. And in this case, the users who are members of this project will get a check-in every morning between 9 and 10. But that doesn't help you for a quick test. But once the connection is made, you can then go to Slack. And by using the / command, simulate the check-in process. Check in my Scrum project. And there you see I'm asked to select how confident I am on a scale of 1 to 5. I'll select a 4 for this. Because I've just imported this, there's no trail history. Because I'm the only user in this, there's no visibility of what the other users are supplying or how they've voted. And if I simply refresh, whoops, I see that score has been reflected now on my dashboard. Now, the whole point of this is to provide this dashboard, which is color-coded for engineering leaders, and also then for any individual initiative, as we call them, to provide the trend and allow users to communicate on that. At this point, this is a one-way communication. So the connection to Jira is just to download the projects you're working on. It is my intention to create a new version where we have a two-way connection, but I want to get some user feedback on what's the useful information to pass back. Is it just a RAG score of how the initiative is standing, or are those trends interesting as well? And if so, what's the best way to describe them? So happy to show more how to use the system in more detail if that would be helpful. Okay, thank you.